Well, we're on our way. We're going to visit a very old friend of ours. We haven't visited him in a long time. Let's hope he's glad to see us. Edmond Dantes. For those of you who remember who Edmond Dantes is, stand by. Well, there he is, Edmond Dantes. Low tide about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Let's go see how it goes. Well, there's our old buddy. So far he hasn't given up anything yet. I mean, nothing. I've only been here 5 minutes. Maybe he's saving the best for 5 more minutes more. Well, the first target's at 84. Yes, that's what it is, 84. You gotta start someplace. She's a pretty one too, ain't she?
Well, it's not enough to jump people over this way. It's not enough. Right here.
A solid 31. Fine ticket. I can catch him. $89. Think that ain't a blinger. That's like 2 pill blinger. Right up on the shoreline. I got one of these new RC Digs left-handed mounts. I got 2 actually. I got one for this. This is a stock Dehus. I got one for that Anderson. I mean, not Anderson. That carbon fiber one I got. I forgot who made it. Some fancy guy. I'm hunting in the dive mode, 14 kilohertz. Sensitivity at 75, I think. Maybe 80. Stand by. Well, we got another 89, 90, 89, 90 knockout. We got it on the first scoop too. I hear it. I hear something. I see nothing. A wire end, you see it? Maybe not. Maybe not. Still in there, I guess. Just looked like a wire end. I think we got it this time though. I still see nothing. Piece of coral. I might save that, take it home. Stand by a minute. 10 cents. We're on the tickets now. I don't know what it is, titanium or something. No, it's titanium. Whatever it is, a little. Stand by. $59. I see a nice red pull tab. That's 2. I dug 2 pull tabs today. I just dug a automobile and a bullet casing. What else have I dug? A quarter, I think. Stand by. Well, I've come to the end of my journey going this way. I'm gonna turn around and go back to the cave a little bit further off. That's a good little hike, but my legs are holding up good. That shot really worked good. That steroid shot in my hips, I like it. Stand by. Well, I'm back at the old cave. I'm heading home. Stand by. All right, here it is. What it is? A bullet? Bling? Bling? This came in as a 47. Has no marks in it at all. This was 89. That was irony. I just wanted to see what that was. And a nice car. Mumbles man says he can go tomorrow. Stand by. I'm sitting here under the fig tree, getting ready to play ball with the firecracker. But I figured we'd talk about this RC Diggs mount here just for a second. I know I'm probably late to the party because most of y'all probably know about this thing, but just in case there's somebody out there that doesn't, this is a pretty cool box. It mounts right to the end of the deuce shaft right there. You take out 2 screws and you slide this thing right in there and screw it back in place. I don't know why somebody didn't come out with this a long time ago. The house top comes off, 2 screws, holds the antenna wire goes up through here, sits right on top, just as neat as you want. I mean, it's cool. And then the one I couldn't think of, which is a fine rig, is this detector rods from that, I think it's in Arizona, New Mexico or somewhere. Steve. Now this one screws in, it's threaded. You just unscrew the one that came on his rod and screw this one right into place of it, right there. And like I said, the antenna goes right up through there. That's better than sliced bread right there. I don't know. There it is right there. rcdiggs.com. 35 smackers. Okay. My guy says it's time for BALL. No questions asked. And there he goes. Oh, he's a firecracker. You firecracker. Well, I might as well share some unhappy, not very nice medical news with you. I know it's been coming for years. It's not here yet, but it's damn close. According to my kidney doctor, which I saw on Tuesday. I got my back fixed up the other day. Now I'll go see her. She says, your kidney functions are getting worse. I see dialysis in your future, your near future. I said, well, what does near future mean? She says, I don't know, just near. Let's have some kind of home dialysis now you do every night while you're sleeping. And then have these centers that you go to. You do it 3 days a week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I don't know nothing about it, but I know I have 2 friends that do it. But they don't use that machine at home. They do it at the center. Maybe the home thing is kind of new. I don't know. They put some kind of port in your tummy or somewhere, and you hook up to it at nighttime, and away you go. But I have to go to school for that. Another bridge I got to cross, or conquer. Okay, okay. I'll throw the ball. Stand by.